Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you all doing today? Well, I'm in my garden this morning as usual. Come to check how things going. Well, you know I like to show you my plant and show you the progress that going on in my garden. You know, right here we have some real powerful okras. I think I did a video. No, I did a video showing you how I plant my okras. So if you check my videos, you go back into my videos, you're gonna see I have how you plant them and how you take care of them. Look at these okra. You see how they big, powerful and strong? This one already start bearing. Look one right here. I don't know if you could see it. You see start bearing. Basically all of them start bearing at this moment. You know, when you take care of your plant, trust me, you're gonna always able to harvest. You know, I have a lot of okra plants, a lot of big ones. So soon all these is small okra plants. All these is small one. Okay, I have two powerful one there coming up. Sorry guys, but I have harvested my cabbage. I have harvested them, but I'm sorry I didn't record, so I can't show you guys. But I'm very sorry. I stay away a few days from my garden, and look what the worms have done. You know, look what the worms has done. This one, the worm had really did its work. Watch. I don't know what kind of worm this one is. You see, look at this one here. I don't know what kind this is. Maybe you could comment and tell me what kind of worm you think this one is. But these are the worms that destroy your cabbage. And if you don't take care of them, you wouldn't be able to harvest any cabbage. Look at next one right here. You know, just a few days away, this cabbage was looking so nice a few days ago. But look at next worm right here. But because I wasn't around for a few days, look the damage. So I lose out from these cabbage, but I did harvest these cabbage. I did harvest these cabbage up there. So I'm very grateful. Very grateful. At least I was able to harvest something. These are basil. I also harvest. I harvest a lot of banana pepper. A lot. But like I said, I wasn't able to record because my phone was dead. This is a nice pepper tree here. I can't remember what kind of pepper this is. I can, but look at the shape of this pepper. I don't know. Maybe somebody could comment